What you doing? Hmm? What you doing, Maddie?
Let's see. 10. No, wait a minute. It is that. My wife got the item. Yeah, that too.
Mommy has a pierced arm. At you. Look it. Say hello.
Hello.
Go hi. Go what's up? Does Mommy need to paint her room?
Nope. Yeah.
Nope.
No, I want to paint your one.
You want to paint my room?
Yeah.
I'll help. I want to paint this room too.
What color should I paint the room?
Red.
YouTubers, huh? What color?
Red.
Red.
Look at it. It's blue, lavender, sea green. Need a new color in here.
We need your comments. She's indecisive, people.
No.
We need your help.
No.
We need now.
No.
Okay, so if you listen to him, I actually do need your help. We don't really know what color to paint the room. So